This it will be a quick revision about the chapter 3, my first article. Okay, let's start. We need to know how to work with the text. To work with the text, time is a time for formatting. Okay, what's the formatting? Formatting is a way that you modify your text to be understandable or to be more interesting. Okay, we modify our text to be understandable or more interesting. Let's begin with the simple function like in font group. We found in font group bold, italic and underline. First I go to start icon, click on start icon, then go to the word program. Okay, click on word program, open it. If I type grade 3, okay, you must first highlight. First thing that I will highlight the name. How you can highlight? Let's know how we can highlight first. We highlight um, we highlight our word, our sentence in Microsoft Word by click on shift and moving by the arrow left or right like that, clicking on shift. Okay, or press on control A, or the another function is about, okay, control plus A, or the another thing that you can do, you can click on shift, press on the shift key plus the right arrow and the left arrow. Okay, I need to insert shape from here. The left or right. Okay, and what's the next? What's the another things? What's the third things that you can do for highlight the text, to do your format, to do your style on it? The third things, you can press, okay, click on your mouse or on your touchpad and move by your mouse. Okay, these are the three things that you can do to highlight. Three things that you can do to highlight your text. Okay, did you see this red line? That is mean it's wrong spelling. You must check. Okay, it will be updated. Okay, how I can save my article? Go here to this purple icon. Purple icon, it's for save, or you can from your shortcut key control S. Did you see control S? Okay, now he asking me about the location that I wanted to save on it. Okay, I will save it. Grade 3, how you can highlight. I will save it on the grade 3. Okay, hello, now let's go. Okay, if I wanna to highlight, I highlight like that and it's appear in gray, gray highlight. Okay, and you go here to home group, and then click on this format. Bold. What's the bold? It's make our text thick. Okay, we make our word thick. Okay, this is a bold. What about italic? Okay, it's making with italics. Okay, and what the last things is underline. Okay. Okay, now we know how we can do our format here. First things how we can do italic. Okay, to make our text italicized. Okay, and make underline, to make underline like that, and you can make bold. Okay, also you can change the font size from here. Okay, as you want. You can also change the font color. Did you see font color? You can change from here your font color as you want, and from here also you can change the themes of font. If you selected Arial, Time New Roman or whatever you want. Okay, I do that. I selected the font to be Arial. Okay, how we can go back? You know, if you do something and you wanted to erase it or go back to the last step, you can go to this icon. This icon is undo. That is mean I wanted to go to the previous step. I wanted to go back. I do something wrong and I wanted to go back. How I can go back to previous? By click on undo. Okay, the undo, it's going back. Okay, undo. If I type, let's say here, if I type these things and I remember that I didn't want this text, you can erase it by click on delete, or you can just click on undo. Okay, undo, it will be erased for us. Again, you can save it from here, save. Okay, let's go to the next step. Now we know font bold. We go to the home tab, font group, to know how we can format by using bold, and underline. Okay, now we need to know if you wanna to if you looking for word inside this text, how we can find that word. Okay, let's see. Find, navigation, how we can go to the find or navigation. Okay, let's open a new document. We can go from here, file. Let's open this lesson, interact. Okay, interact. Okay, how we can find, how we can search. We go here to home tab. This is the first line, is a home tab, and then go here, editing group. We click on find. This is fine. You can search about whatever you want to search. Interact. I press on interact. He told me there is 6 results. That is mean in my document here I type or I write interact for 6 times. Okay, and he show me the sentence. If I click on enter, every time he show me where is the interact in the sentence. Did you see? He moving with me to show me the interact, and how it's showing for me in the article. It's showing for me with a yellow highlight. Okay, yellow highlight or golden highlight. Okay, and he showing me here also the results, how many how many words that from this word that I looking for I type in my document. Okay, the last thing that I wanted to do, also here in Find, instead of going to Home tab and then go to Editing Group, you can just click on F7. Okay, what's the F7? F7, sorry, we need to continue. If I wanted to open, instead of open, go to Home tab and then go to instead of going to Home tab and then going to Editing to Find, you just click on, uh, you just use a simple key. Simple key, it's Control F. Okay, Control F. It's opening for me the navigation bar. Okay, the navigation bar to find your word or something that you look for. Okay, what's the last thing that we need to do? We need to know also undo action. Undo action, it's returning back. It's can maybe it's do for you until 20 action. Okay, or you can press on Control Z. Okay, this is undo, like I show you. This is undo action. Also here we have here in the left bottom in the right bottom corner we have zoom in and zoom out. Okay, you can maximize your paper as you want. Okay, to be comfortable with you to work on it. Okay, this is all about this. Okay, here he told you this hands-on. Every year our plant is becoming hotter and hotter. He told you apply for this text bold and italic. You must select from there bold and italic, highlight various text and then make bold and italic. Okay, then make underline. You must select the underline and then highlight the sentence by the second sentence by blue highlight. Where is the highlighter? The highlight, how we can highlight our sentence. Okay, you can select like that and go here to this icon is highlight. Okay, you can select the color that you want. Okay, here is the yellow.